Hey, what's good, everybody? It's your boy See Through the Script here. Today is June 10th, 2021, and I'm back with another decode. As you can see on your screen, we got some cool high-tech shit going on. We got some alien invasion shit going on. So let's get straight into the topic. I'm going to give you my take on this whole scenario and what I feel could happen, the potentials, the numbers behind it, and some cool, interesting facts that you may have not known. You're going to know now. But without further ado, let's get into the video, and be sure to like, comment, and subscribe before we start. And yeah, let's get it. All right, so check this out. I'm gonna take you guys back to February 25th, 2021, where TMZ posted a very interesting headline which read, American Airlines FBI aware of pilot UFO sighting in New Mexico, went right over us. And if you remember, New Mexico is a very interesting place. That is where the Roswell incident went, and we're gonna discuss that. But notice that the phrase The Great Deception and Projectbluebeam have a 2-for-2 match in the reduction ciphers, the only difference being the full reduction section of 85 and 58 mirror reflections. We're going to touch on that as we go further. And next you could see the Roswell incident, which occurred July 8th, 1947, at least this article states. And as you can see here, that July 8th is a date written 7/8. Notice that extraterrestrial equals 78, Jesuit equals 78, secrecy equals 78, corrupt equals 78, the alien invasion equals 78. So we got a big 78 theme going on. All right, now this next slide is very telling, as the news likes to give us little hints and insight into what their future plans are, but you just need to know how to be able to read through the lines, read between the lines, or see through the script for that matter, you feel me? But what you can see here is that this headline was from June 9th, 2021, and it states, UFOs have done what COVID-19 has never, and that is to unite Republicans and Democrats in Congress. And basically this is kind of giving you a hint that there's going to be a need for some unity if something of this magnitude were to ever occur. Now notice here some gematria. We have top secret, which equals 122, unidentified flying object equals 122, and satanic equals 122. Now notice this excerpt from the same article. It states it was 3 high-ranking senators, 2 Democrats and a Republican, who secretly secured $22 million in 2007 for the military to study UFOs. Notice how they ran with $22 million to study UFOs. And again, unidentified flying object equals 122 like satanic, and satanic in full reduction equals 22 like how they spent 22 to actually study UFOs. And notice at the bottom I stated coronavirus was the first step to create a global problem that requires a global solution, resulting in global governance, which is the sole purpose for an alien invasion. Have the opportunity to have global governance, to have one unified controller. All right, so when you're talking aliens, to me personally, there's no way you can go on this topic without discussing Area 51. And with the knowledge of Gematria, it will allow you to see why the number 51 is so relevant in regards to what Area 51 really is. Mind you, Area 51 is based in Nevada, which became an official state of the Union on October 31st, 1864. Now let's look at the date numerology. Notice that 10 plus 31 plus 6 plus 4 equals 51. And again, Nevada, or Area 51 is based in Nevada, right? And notice that alien UFOs equals 51, tinfoil hat equals 51, conspiracy equals 51. And think about most people's perception on people who look into Area 51. They're typically your tinfoil hat guy, the conspiracy head. And also notice that the prime numerology of the day Nevada became a state of the Union, 10 plus 31 plus 18 plus 64 equals 123. Conspiracy equals 123 in English ordinal. Fitting numerology, granted Area 51 is surrounded by conspiracies. All right, now focusing further on Area 51, on August 15th, 2013, the CIA officially acknowledged Area 51 as a secret US military site. August 15th so happens to be the day the Jesuits, Society of Jesus, were founded. Now notice the date numerology of this day, as it was very particular. 8 plus 15 plus 20 plus 13 equals 56. Society of Jesus equals 56. Nevada, USA equals 56. Secretive equals 56. And again, Area 51 is literally one of the most secretive military bases in the United States. All right, now a few more points regarding Area 51. It is located in the southern portion of Nevada in the western United States, 83 miles or 134 kilometers northwest of Las Vegas. And notice that it is 83 miles of Las Vegas. Conspiracy theory equals 83. Las Vegas, Nevada equals 83. Area 51 is the common name of a highly classified United States Air Force. United States Air Force equals 88. Conspiracy theory equals 88. All right, and I think we all understand that when it comes to the topic of UFOs, they are very much top secret. And worth noting this numerical connection that the phrase top secret equals 40 and 122, similar to unidentified flying object, which equals 122 and 400. So very similar numerology there. And also notice that top secret, Area 51 military base as one whole phrase has that gematria and full reduction of 115. According to Google Maps, Area 51 is on the 115th meridian west. Worth noting the phrase Masonic also equals 115. All right, on this next slide, notice that from the CIA recognizing Area 51 publicly to the anniversary of Nevada becoming the 36th state, that's August 15th, 2013 to October 31st, 2013, is a span of 78 days. Notice that extraterrestrial equals 78, Jesuit equals 78, secrecy equals 78, corrupt equals 78, the alien invasion equals 78. We did go over those earlier, but also notice that IHS equals 36, and that is the Jesuits logo, as you could see to your top left, the sun and the IHS. And then you could see that IHS, when spelled out in English ordinal, our most basic cipher, it equals 36, like how Nevada is the 36th state. All right, now notice here on this next slide, we have a very interesting theme with the number 88. And again, the discussion is the idea of an alien invasion. And I mean, a lot of people speculate if aliens are real or not. That's not really what I'm here to actually discuss, but more how they can numerically manifest some form of this actual plot to actually come true. And notice here that, again, the whole plot of Projectbluebeam is like holographic images essentially to deceive people. And notice that holographic technology equals 88 and United States Air Force equals 88, conspiracy theory equals 88, surrender your soul equals 88, government tyranny equals 88. And ultimately, if they are able to pull off something of this magnitude, most people are going to be so scared they'll probably surrender their soul due to the government tyranny, thinking that it was all a conspiracy theory. Meanwhile, it was all being plotted with the help of holographic technology with the United States Air Force by its side. See how it all comes together? All right, for this one here, I did just want to throw in an interesting fact. On May 25th, 1979, Ridley Scott released the film titled Alien, the first Alien film of the series released, right? And that was again on May 25th, day that can be written 25/5, like 255. And notice that the phrase, the alien invasion in reverse ordinal equals 225. All right, now try to stick with me here as this slide is a little jam-packed with info, but I'm gonna try to make it as easy as possible. It was 1956 that the film Forbidden Planet included a flying saucer, which kicked off a trend in Hollywood being the alien theme. And basically this film was about a starship crew goes to investigate the silence of a planet's colony only to find two survivors and a deadly secret that one of them has. And this was released on March 15th, 1956. And that date can be written as 15/3, like 153. Notice Jesuit order equals 153. Society of Jesus equals 56, how it was released in 1956. And notice here from March 15th, 1956 to March 15th, 2029, and I'm going to explain why I chose the year 2029, is a span of 73 years exactly. And the title of the film was Forbidden Planet, which equals 73. 73 is the 21st prime number. Notice Jesuit equals 21, Saturn equals 21, evil equals 21. All right, now if you made it this far, you've earned the right to hear my theory and my true take on what I think could potentially happen in the future regarding an alien invasion. So let's go. 2029 could be the year right before their 2030 milestone to manifest one of the greatest hoaxes our eyes have ever seen. Why 2029? Well, let's take a look at a few things. Fake alien invasion equals 167 and 77. The year 2029 spelled out in words equals 176 and 77, essentially matching 2 for 2 in the 4-base ciphers. Notice here that government tyranny equals 209 in reverse ordinal, a lot like 29, the year that I suspect we could see this hoax. And 29 is the 10th prime number. Notice God equals 55 and 10, 5 plus 5 is 10, and Satan has that matching gematria of 55 and 10. And a great opportunity numerically to cast a God slash Satan-like figure to confuse the masses in 2029. And we are constantly being conditioned to experience this through Hollywood films, which is the cabal's tool of manifestation. Well, there you have it, folks. That is my theory and my understanding about what could be the future and what we could expect in regards to a alien invasion, quote unquote. And if you did enjoy this video, if you learned anything from it, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe, as it does mean a lot. And I want to shout out all the new subscribers, all the OG subscribers, and all the people on the Instagram who show love and support every day. That shit means a lot. But other than that, it's your boy Script, and I'm out of here.